So, see how the freeLink service that connects the customer to your company for free works. The customer who is browsing your website after clicking on the freeLink banner connects free of charge to the WebRTC cloud and then connects via SIP trunk to your current PBX, which is, for example, in the city of Warsaw, Paris, Riyadh or São Paulo. The call can also be routed directly to any IP phone such as Cisco, Yealink or Grandstream and then be redirected to your mobile phone. WebRTC Cloud can redirect the call to a PBX of any company in the world or any landline or mobile operator that has joined free WebRTC Cloud. Take a look how easy it is. On your desktop or Android mobile phone, you can browse the website of your chosen company. Next to the product or service description, you see the Call Us banner. When you click on a banner, you connect to our WebRTC Cloud for free, and then, through IVR, select an extension number and connect to the user who answers the call on his own PBX or directly on an IP phone or softphone application. No matter how long you talk, and whether the call is local or international, the cost of the call for both sides is always free. We invite all companies, corporations, public administrations to offer free calls to their customers. See how easy you can make a call. Any public administration or company can make the call banner available. Once you select it, you connect to the WebRTC Cloud. Then simply click on green Call button.
Hello.
The IVR message is heard. Select an extension number and the WebRTC Cloud directs the connection to, for example, a mobile phone. We invite you to try it for free. WebRTC team.